This is going to be a low-key video today, guys. That's right. Although it's not an adventure video, but it does have something to do with the cameras I use for my adventures. That's right. So let's get started. Let's talk about the MicroSD card. Now, I can sit here and tell you all the good facts about the MicroSD card, but we're not going to do that. At least maybe not in this video. I want to talk about how much of a pain in the butt the MicroSD card is. And by the way, if you hear this strange sound behind me, well, it's not behind me, but it's in that door right there. It's my washer. I'm like an idiot. I'm doing my laundry as I'm making this video. But guys, let's get started. Let me tell you what I hate about this MicroSD card. The MicroSD card, this thing right here, this is what I want to talk about today. Okay, let's get started here. Hopefully I got the camera right. This is my GoPro White, okay? And it has a MicroSD card right here. Right there's the MicroSD card. Whenever I try to get this out, it is a pain in the butt. I have to push down. Hold on. Hold on. I'm still trying. Still trying. There we go. Okay. I released it, as you can see. Now, trying to get my big fingers to grab onto this is not an easy task. Got it. As you can see, I barely got a hold of it. A lot of times I can't get a hold of this damn thing. A lot of times I can't get a hold of it. As soon as I push down and get it to release, it'll shoot halfway across the floor. Or I do get it and then I drop it. And look how little this thing is. This thing's tiny. It's almost next to impossible to find it on the carpet. Then you got to make sure your dog don't eat it. The MicroSD card, I have to admit, it's an achievement, yes. And although this is not an SD card I'm putting down there now, it goes to the mini because you put it inside to use for your computer. But this is about the size they used to be right here. Much easier for me to get a hold of. Now, some of my older cameras in the past used a bigger SD card, the one about this size. But no, all the cameras I use today in the field use the micro. And when I get home to do the dump on my computer, because I dump everything off, every single time I have trouble getting that MicroSD card out. Or when I do get it out, either it shoots halfway across the room or I drop the damn thing. The other night I spent up to 45 minutes just trying to find the darn thing. Then I was afraid not to move my computer chair. Oh my God, I don't want to run over it. Oh, okay, Stormy, stay back, stay back. Yeah. I've had pieces of food bigger stuck in my teeth than this MicroSD card. Me being a 55-year-old man and maybe big fingers, I don't know. Maybe it's for somebody else. But it's what I got to use. And all my GoPros, the one I'm filming on now, and this one, and the camera I just had the MicroSD card filming on. They all take the micro. Leave your comments down below, guys. Is the MicroSD card a pain in your butt too? Because every time I pulled everything out, I'm cursing it. And that's the God's truth. Alright, this has been a low-K video today, guys. You got me. I'm doing laundry. I'm at home, obviously. And I just got done doing the work thing. Just had a shower, and I don't know. This came to mind, and I was like, you know what? I should make a video on it. It's a low-key video. Alright, we'll catch you next time. And more than likely, we're going to be doing a hike. That's right. At least that's what the plans are for tomorrow. A hike. It hasn't rained. Now watch it rain tomorrow morning. Well, guys, until next time, until our adventure, leave me comments down below. How do you feel about the MicroSD card? Does it get on your darn nerves too? You'd think they would make something, at least on the end of these things, where you could pull them out easier. Get a grip on it. And if you ain't got no dang fingernails, you're crap out of luck. Well, I ain't got fingernails. At least long ones. Alright guys, till next time, come on. Let's get out of here.